Alright, this is a crazy project. It's gonna be a short video. How to fix hybrid battery connectors, clean them actually from the residue. I mean, it looks before like that, and then this is the process later after like 20-40 minutes, all depends, you gotta test it. So how these things works, basically you put some vinegar. That's not a stuff, you know, it's baking soda, some salt, just a little bit, and then you gotta use some copper here, 12-volt battery, because this thing doesn't run except the charge something, even if it's crappy battery. It's gonna send 12 volts, and then negative goes to the copper here, and positive go to the cathode. That's an anode, that's a cathode. Cathode, anode, cathode, I believe. Yeah, that's a cathode. That is on for a long time. So yeah, that's those molecules, you know, get escape from the copper and sending through like as a magnet to that positive terminal, and that's why it gets clean like that, you know, from this kind, I mean from that kind to this kind. Pretty impressive. Alright, so we just sit down and wait, and then, you know, after 20 minutes check it out. If it still have some stuff, you know, dip it again, and it should be works. Alright, see ya.